This was an idea that we had a few months ago, and me and Sean from Sussex Tree Company went into the jungle behind the motorcycle workshop and we cut a track to muck about on some trials bikes. I do take requests.
Sunday morning, we're all allowed to be out now because of COVID. We're taking these bikes out round the back for a run round. I'll tell you what we got. We got a Honda CT 110. Spent a lot of time with this one with Ian. We'll wreck that. We got a Honda SL 125. We got an A7 in a B31 frame, which I believe is 56ish around that area, 61 engine. Got a T100, 63 frame, 67 engine. That'd be cool. This is my favourite one.
Trying to kill me.
It's a BB34 500, 1956. It's a year younger than me. We've got a electric one. It's the electric motion, I believe it's called. Seriously impressive, this. I'm a petrol head. I was impressed riding this. So we'll have a go. It's a bit like your life, really, when you're born. All light, springy. And then, when you get to my age, you end up like this. You've got soggy suspension and you leak oil everywhere. So that sums me up.
Right, when the BSA finally got going, that's how Paul, with his new gear on, because it can be dangerous back there, as Paul found out. There we go, knees tucked in, trials technique. I'm learning every day. Here we go, that's me. Blue hanky sticking out of the back pocket. I don't know what that means. Nicky on the CT, the star of the show, well apart from the emotional electric bike. Here's the captain. Hot air balloon shot, no expense bed. That's just showing off. That's actually me wearing Jerry's gear to make it look like it was Jerry. That's Dingley Dell around the tree. Took me about 3 hours to clear that. The first casualty of the day, the Honda. Got a puncture. Cheers. We were actually looking forward to riding that. I think that would have been good. Right, this is Jerry. He's just showing off. He went off-piste here. This isn't the actual course, but our course was a little too boring for him. And the brief was to stay on two wheels, actually, for that bit. Look at him, nearly went through the barrier. That was quite a tricky corner, on two wheels, never mind one. Badger pass. And I actually cut a gap in that log to go through, Jerry. Stick to the course. There he is, Billy Whiz, going down Badger Pass. That isn't the actual sound of the bike, that's actually Paul and... oh god, here we go. That's them making a wee noise. Yeah, I tried the course going round the other way. It was just as hard, especially on the old bikes. Oh, no foot down, no foot down. Oh, I've changed bikes and riders. Oh, and there's another rider. Me again, Jerry's uniform on. It's a smoker. This is my favourite shot. Here he goes. Oh, hey, oh. This is when I found out it had a puncture.
And here we are at the Borney Trials in Borney near Brighton. There's a rider riding through some reeds. And there's another bike. And there's another rider. And there's another rider without a bike, having a jolly good time. Ian Kelsey looking at the camera there. Concentrate way of going in. You might have a crash. Yeah. Yes, having a jolly good time.
Now that heat isn't from a fire, it's actually coming from inside his leather trousers, as it was a very, very hot day and he kept stinging his little knees on the nettles, so he had to borrow some of Tony's leathers. So that heat haze is actually coming out of the rear of his trousers. Here he is. He lives in London now, does Nicky, so he's not used to trees. I think he was quite confused at what they were at first, and he didn't have a clean round. I did.
Tell you what, that brake on the other side gets getting used to, doesn't it?
Workman blames his tools.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Oh, that stump's bothering you.
Yeah, we can't get round.
That one on the corner.
Yeah.
It's up there. Yeah.
Did you manage to go?
See, even he don't like it.
Can you tell I'm northern?
Yeah, but it's in the way, isn't it? It's
All right, don't show off.
It's quite solid.
Yeah, I know. There's a shovel kicking around or something.
You knackered already.
The difference between the old bikes, like this. This is going up the dry riverbed. I didn't do a clean round on the old bikes, but when you get on a trials bike, it just almost straightens the course out, especially the electric E-Motion E-Pure. It's just unbelievable. It may look like I've done a clean round on the T100, but I didn't. But I did on the newer stuff. Wise choice to wear white trousers, I think. Here we go. This is part of my clean round.
Ian, how many clear?
2.
Bilingual, thank you.
Nicky,
Yeah.
how many clear?
For me,
Yeah, for you.
we'll see.
Here he goes.
Okay, wish me luck.
If you look closely, Guy Martin is he was there, but every time the camera came out, he went into the woods for a wee. And we didn't get footage of that, but he's there. Oh, you missed him. Yeah, big thanks to Guy. That's the T100, which needed severe fork adjustment. My bulbs from my CT fell out of the rear indicators, and it was like powdered glass when we took the bulbs off. And my fork seals went on the CT, which have been replaced.
Right, here we are at the MCW day. We're all knackered. Let's have a chat with the guys, see what they thought. This guy we're not even talking to. Show off.
I had a great time, Tom. Yeah, really good. Yeah, absolutely fantastic day.
What do you think of the
Just
electric?
to say it all, really. The electric bike is something else. Yeah, that'll take some getting used to. I think I'll stick with this one.
Good boy. How did you go on, Tony? I was alright. Okay, mate. Ian! What do you reckon?
You're going to talk about my clean round?
How many times have you football?
Does anybody want to talk about his clean round?
Was there a witness?
No.
Don't think there was a witness.
I think there was 3 clear rounds, but we're not talking about it.
No, it's alright. Well, this was hard work, especially after being on the 2 trials. The electric one was just straightened the course out. So, mind you, CT did alright as well.
This was like a little hooligan bike.
Yeah. It just shows you the respect that you have for people that do trials on these. It's tough, especially with a road tyre on back.
You 2 have had these on the farm.
We'd have had one of them.
Yeah, the gears took a bit of getting used to on these, I think, with brake and gear lever switched. I found that quite difficult on the two BSA's Triumphs.
And the exhaust pipes are quite hot with shorts on.
Yeah,
I think he learnt that.
yeah. It's doing it in a 90 Fahrenheit day in Tony's old leather trousers is quite an experience as well.
I forgot your name. What was your name? This geezer enjoyed himself anyway. He was a hooligan on this.
That is unconverted. No, this is the one. 2 firsts for me today. The new trials bike, the modern one, never ridden one of them. I thought it was easy on that, and then I'll get on this. And converted. Fantastic.
Right, this is Paul Gardner, our landlord, who's let us play here today. Thank you very much,
pleasure,
Paul.
pleasure.
Let's come on, guys. Thank
Thank you, Paul.
Good to share it.
Well done. Well done.
I'd say what it was like on this, but these guys have been on this more than I've been on it, so everybody said it.
You had to go on the petrol.
I had to go in the petrol. Petrol was great.
Buying one?
All electric,
So you're going to stick
100%.
with the Duracell bunny.
Truly will. Doesn't
Good
let me
man.
down.
Brilliant. So there we go, lads. We've had a great time. Come on.
Alright, thanks, Parky.
Here we go, the Magnificent 7.
No bikes were harmed during filming. Well, apart from CT fork seals, Honda 125 puncture, Nicky's knee, Tony's back, and Paul's pride. The Magnificent 7 were asleep by 6 PM that night, tired, but very happy. In all, a fantastic day behind the workshop, and a big thanks to Paul.